Hello students, now we will discuss about Rhodophyceae members of algae. These are commonly called as red algae. Now, Rhodophyceae members, these are said as ancient algae. Some examples under Rhodophyceae members, we have seen Chlorophyceae members are most advanced algae. Like that, Rhodophyceae members are ancient algae. Examples are Polysiphonia, Porphyridium, next Porphyra, Chondrus crispus, next Gelidium, next Gracilaria. So Polysiphonia, Porphyridium, Porphyra, Chondrus crispus. Next, one example which is not given in NCERT is Harville. These Rhodophyceae members, there is no motile form in its life cycle or in its lifetime. Pigments present are, before going into pigments, we will see habitat. They purely live in marine water. Next, pigments present are phycoerythrin, beta, phycoerythrin, and beta. We'll write simply phycocyanin. Phycocyanin. Now, phycoerythrin is red in color. Phycocyanin is bluish white in color because of presence of copper ions. Bluish white in color. This is red in color. Phycocyanin containing red algae is Batrachospermum. All the remaining types of algae are here exceptions. Rhodophyceae members are multicellular, but Porphyridium is unicellular. Here, because of the appearance of color, bluish white of Batrachospermum, these are also, they look like blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. When they are present on water, when Rhodophyceae members are on surface of water, they have more phycocyanin. When they are on surface of water, Vibgyor, the spectrum will be means displaying on the algae. Then they intake that red color, they reflect that blue color. So sometimes we feel like the Rhodophyceae members, Batrachospermum, are blue-green algae. They reflect blue color of Vibgyor. Next, when they move into deep waters, they have more phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin absorbs more violet color and they reflect red color. That I am not writing. They absorb more violet color because violet color has more penetrating power. Deep into waters. Next. These red algae, they also secrete and deposit calcium carbonates. Sometimes, because of that, they appear as corals. Rhodophyceae secrete calcium carbonate. So appears as corals. Here we forgot one important point that we have to read about its structure. Here I have said there is no motile forms. Coming to body is covered by inner cellulose and pectin. Now, along with pectin, there will be polysulfate esters. With polysulfate esters. This is important point that we must have been discussed prior only. Other pigments are chlorophyll A and chlorophyll D. Beta carotene and xanthophylls are also present. Beta carotene, but comparing to that, we have more amount of phycobilins. Phycobilins are also seen. Change of color at different locations of water means on surface it is showing blue color and in deep waters it is showing red color. That nature of change of color is called as Gaudicos effect. Change of color at surface of water as blue and red at deep waters is called Gaudicos effect. G-A-U, Gaudicos effect. This is important point. Next. So it means that red algae are not only red in color but also they exhibit blue color. Blue color is exhibited by Batrachosperma. So red algae not only red in color but also are blue in color. So we can say Gaudicos effect is exhibited by blue-green algae also. Next. In Chlorophyceae members, we have seen a reserve food material is starch. In Phaeophyceae members, we have seen reserve food material is laminarin and mannitol. Like that, in Rhodophyceae members, the reserve food material is Floridian starch. It is structurally equal to glycogen and amylopectin. Reserve food material is Floridian starch. This is chemically or structurally equal to, right, structurally equal to glycogen and amylopectin. Next, asexual reproduction is by fragmentation. Asexual reproduction by fragmentation. Next, sexual reproduction by oogamous type. In oogamous type, we see the sex organs are means of different size, and one will be having motile nature, other is not having motile nature. Means the male sex organ is motile and smaller in size. Female sex organ is bigger, or egg is bigger and it is non-motile. So the fusion between such gametes is called oogamous type of sexual reproduction. We will see different terms. Female sex organ called carpogonia. Next, male sex organ called spermatia. Next, coming to economic importance, used to extract Gelidium and Gracilaria both, used to extract agar-agar. Agar-agar is a solidifying agent. It means when we add agar-agar to warm water or little bit of hot water, then it will be solidifying. It will be converted from liquid to either semi-solid or solid. Solidifying agent. Harveyella is parasitic algae, means it is parasite on other algae. Chondrus crispus are used to make the coats of the capsules. Used to make capsule coats. So inside that capsule there will be medicine. Next, Chondrus crispus also used in the manufacturing units as a gelatinous substance. Means just like agar-agar, it is used to make in ice creams and also some of the food products, to make the food product viscous. So we don't have place here, but I am telling you orally. Chondrus crispus secretions is also used in food industries to make the food product viscous. And its other secretions, carrageenin. Carrageenin is used to make the capsule coat of the medicines. Next, Gelidium. Porphyra is edible algae. Porphyridium is unicellular. Batrachospermum is haplobiontic. It exhibits haplobiontic type of life cycle. Next, did we miss any of the point? In this Rhodophyceae members, we have seen here they live in marine water. Okay, we can write another point like and warmer water also. In this Rhodophyceae members, diagrammatic representations are also very much important. They will give the diagram and they will ask us to identify what is name of that particular diagram or algae. Then we must be, so please go through NCERT textbook and see the diagrams that are related to, they have given Porphyra, one diagram they have given, and Polysiphonia, which is plant twig like or branches like. It is having main axis and also branches. This is just like a single mass like one sheet like structure. Porphyra diagram was also given in NCERT textbook. So these are points, important points related to Rhodophyceae members.